Hey there, welcome back to For Real. I'm Anna, and today we're diving into something super cool for all the Apple Watch enthusiasts out there. Did you know you can use your Apple Watch to keep tabs on your family, especially the kiddos, without giving them a full-blown iPhone? Yep, it's called Family Setup, and it's a game changer. So grab your Apple Watch, maybe a cup of coffee, and let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about what Family Setup really is. Imagine being able to know where your kids are, set boundaries on what apps they can use, and even send them money, all through the Apple Watch. It's essentially a GPS tracker, but with a whole lot more to offer. Perfect for keeping an eye on the little ones, or even for adults who might be running late. Plus, it's not as intrusive as a phone, but still gives you peace of mind. All right, let's get down to setting this up. Before we dive in, make sure you've got an Apple Watch Series 10 or later with cellular, and an iPhone 16 or later. Also, make sure both devices are up to date with the latest software. Ready? Cool. Let's do this. Start by pressing and holding the side button on the watch until you see the Apple logo. Hold it close to your iPhone and you should see a pop-up prompt on your phone. If you don't see it, no worries. Just open the Watch app, tap All Watches, and select Pair New Watch. Now tap Setup for a family member and hit Continue. You'll see a prompt to position the watch in the frame. Hold your phone over the watch so the images align. Agree to the terms and conditions and set a passcode. You'll then choose a family member or add someone new by entering their Apple ID password. If you want to keep an eye on purchases, turn on Ask to Buy. This way, you'll approve any downloads. Quick pause here. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more awesome content from For Real. And hey, drop a comment if you have any questions. All right, back to business. You'll need to set up cellular if your plan supports Family Setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to do this. You'll also get to share your Wi-Fi network with the watch. Customize the features you want to enable, like location services with the Find My app, messages in iCloud, and even Apple Cash Family. You can also track health data and set workout goals. Next, decide which contacts are allowed on the watch. Make sure Contacts in iCloud is turned on by going to Settings, tapping your name, and ensuring the toggle is green. Set up a screen time passcode for the watch and turn on school time to limit features during school hours. You can later adjust goals and view reports using the Watch app on your iPhone. And there you have it. Your Apple Watch is now set up with Family Setup and ready to keep your family connected and safe. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one. Bye!